Let's make one more tutorial in FreeCAD. To make this exercise here, we'll learn how to use the sketch features and how to revolve. So open your FreeCAD and let's go. The first step to create this part here, we'll select the front plane and make the sketch here. Okay, we have all the dimensions here. The distance between the center of this sketch and this point here is 50 millimeters, is the radius, and the radius here is 15 millimeters. Okay, so open the FreeCAD, select parametric part, and go to create a sketch and select the front plane. All the dimensions here is in millimeters, so select the polyline, click here in the midpoint, make this sketch here. Okay, now select the dimension. The distance here is 8 millimeters. The distance here 50 millimeters. The angle here is 45 degrees. And the distance between these two lines here is 15 millimeters. The distance here is 20 millimeters. And the angle between these two lines is 60 degrees. Okay, we have our dimensions here. Now leave the sketch. The command that we use to transform this sketch in a solid will be the command revolution. The revolution creates geometries by rotating to the sketch around an axis. So select revolution. Let's see how many degrees. We know the angle here is 90 degrees. So we need to rotate this 270 degrees. So the angle here, 270 degrees. Okay. And select here reverse direction. And press OK. So here we finish this exercise. So I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel for more. See you in the next video. Bye bye.